Hello, welcome to Sheetlify. Now we are going to learn how to create gradient text animation in Excel. First, go to menu bar, select Web Excel file, gradient text animation. Please download this. It has been downloaded here in download folder. Open it. Excel file has been opened. Here you can see the code. Go to Sheetlify. Click on last button, Sheetlify direct upload. Please wait for a second. Here a plus mark appears. Click on plus. Choose the file. Select Excel file. You can type anything here. Go to Excel. Change my name is save. Go to refresh it. Then click plus button. Choose file. You can see that my name is John. Change this here only. Here is Ganesh. Thank you.